Hi, I'm Bjork-The Software Pro. Let's look at how to save time in Microsoft Word by customizing the status bar. As you navigate through Word documents, make sure that the document window status bar provides you with helpful references for your active file. The status bar is at the bottom of the screen and includes a few basic pieces of information, such as the page we're on. It also includes other views on the right-hand side, as well as the zoom slider. Initially, the status bar is a bit empty, especially when you're working with longer documents. So how can we leverage this to give us more information about the documents we're working with in Microsoft Word? All you need to do is move to the status bar anywhere along the bottom and right-click. Now you will see all of the options that you could choose to display in the status bar. For instance, if you have a document that's formatted with sections, perhaps for a title page or a table of contents, make sure that you enable those. It might also be helpful, depending upon how you are placing content, to display the vertical page position. So the check mark indicates which of these options will be displayed on the status bar. And you'll also start to see this take place as you select those options. Additionally, there may be choices that will be helpful for you with longer documents, such as track changes. And if you like a visual about which keys are selected, make sure that you turn on options like Cap Lock. Near the bottom here you have the choice to turn off those view shortcuts or the zoom slider, but at this point we'll keep those enabled. Over on the right hand side you'll see the current state of these options. This simply means that some of these choices like Cap Lock won't display unless the Cap Lock is turned on. Simply click away. And now these choices are available to you to give you more information about the document that you're working with. For instance, if I turn on my Cap Lock, that now displays in the status bar. Also notice as you navigate to different pages, the status bar gives you a lot of helpful information. So I'll press Ctrl G or F5 for Go To, and let's say I want to go to page 7. Simply enter in 7, hit enter or go to, and I see that in the status bar. This is the formatted page number, and we'll see that because we have multiple sections in this document, I'm on page 9 of 14. And if I hit page down, the status bar will also reflect my new location. How will you leverage the status bar in Microsoft Word? For more tips on being productive with Microsoft Word or to sign up for my tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/word. If this training was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Dawn Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.